Hey everybody, how you doing? 'Tis I hope you're having a great day. So today, I'm actually supposed to be posting a vlog today, and yesterday I edited a video, but it was the wrong video, so I had to edit the right one last night as well, so I stayed up editing it and doing the thumbnail for it and everything. So these are my screen time glasses, so I'm going to do that first before I get into anything. I have a little bit of time, I think. I got a little bit of time. I got like literally like 4 minutes before my regular time of like starting on clothes and stuff. So but yeah, I have to edit, not edit, I have to post, schedule the video for it to post today at 3, and then I as soon as I'm done with that, I'm going to stare into space, apparently. Excuse me, I said stare into space apparently because I'm staring. Hello, I'm back. After that, I'm going to start working on the skirt, start working on the fabric. Yay! I was supposed to get up at 5 today. However, I didn't really go to sleep until like, I was gonna say noon, midnight. So that was not going to happen. So hopefully I can have a good nap today and then maybe try again tomorrow. If not, I'm not gonna try to get up at 5 on Friday because I don't know, I feel like it'll take too much out of me, so that way I can get up, because I want to be able to get up at my regular time on Saturday for Sabbath lessons. So I don't know, I feel like getting up that early the day before I have to get up early to go to Sabbath will be kind of a little too much for my body right now. So I'm just trying to take it one day, one step at a time right now. So unfortunately, I did not get to get up at 5, but pray for your sister so that I can be able to get up at an earlier time, even if it's baby steps. Instead of at 5, I get up at 6 or 7 or 6, something like that. The best time is to get up at 5, so that way I can work on stuff, like I said before in the last vlog. So I can work on stuff, and I already have my day started already. So that's what I'm looking at. But I'm going to get to it because I probably only have like 2 minutes left until my regular time that I'm supposed to work on things. So I'm going to get started on scheduling this vlog, and then I'm going to get to work. Okay? Okay. Ooh. Excuse me. Edit this first. Don't play anything.
Never fake, I just dropped the lane. Talking about the old me, jock game. Pointing at my flesh, I'ma let you know I got aim. I ain't want the fame, I've been beating sin MMA. Baby, I'm a spirit, this is my vessel, stop playing. Shalom, 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 shalom. Shalom, shalom, shalom. Shalom, 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 stop playing. Yeah, shalom, shalom, shalom. Shalom, shalom, shalom. Shalom, shalom, shalom. Walking the truth and I follow commandments. Taking correction, I'm living these lessons. Popping these demons, they feeling attention. They trying to be me because they got an obsession.
Hey guys, so I just decided to add the other video that I did in front of the one I was supposed to post for today. So I'm just uploading that one as well. I'm just waiting for it to upload in the cloud, I guess, for my iPad. But while I'm waiting for that, I'm gonna go ahead and start setting up for this skirt. Okay.
I just wanna know why you playing with me. Yeah, I'm a priest, make a demon leave. Get my brother's life when I speak. They cannot perceive. I know they gon' backbite on me. Give them milk and honey, they can't even chew on the meat. I'ma show them love, humble down, that's the Christ in me. Shalom, 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 shalom.
So it took me a little longer than it was supposed to for the scheduling. The second one, I would have been done already if I just did the first one and scheduled the second one another time, but I don't know, something told me to just do it, get it out of the way, so I did. When I went to check after I was done uploading the second one, I saw that the thumbnail for the first one had like wasn't right, so I had to like go back into Canva, re-upload it or re-download it so that I can upload it again onto YouTube the right way. and it shows up fine now, so that's good. But it took a minute because I kept trying to click it to change it and it wasn't changing, so that's annoying, but it's done. It's about to be 12 o'clock soon. Suck. So hey baby, you okay? Okay. So I'm gonna iron this lining fabric out so that way I can cut the fabric out using the pattern and stuff like that. So I'm gonna go tinkle and then I'm gonna do that because I have to use the bathroom again. I just drunk almost all of my coconut water, so at one time. So I'm gonna go take care of that and then I'll be back. Okay. So take all of it. Okay.
Shalom, shalom, shalom. Shalom, 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 stop playing. Yeah, shalom, shalom, shalom. Shalom, shalom, shalom. Shalom, shalom, shalom. I'm keeping it real for sure. I'm in the field for sure. I got the seal for sure. Keeping it real for sure. Keeping it real for sure. I'm in the field for sure. I got the seal for sure. Keeping it real for sure. All that pain that I had, it was eating me up. All the people on this earth, they was tweeting it up. All alone in a world full of trillions of people. I awoke, the dead is walking like it's Resident Evil. Got this truth in my heart, I ain't giving it up. Bearing fruit in the dark with the one in my cup. We are chosen, we don't even gotta fight to be equal. I know Christ in my heart, he ain't in the cathedral. All the secrets of this world.
Hey y'all, so I got the whole front piece done for the skirt. So I got the fabric cut out and the lining cut out for it. I was able to put the darts and stuff in there on both. So I have those ready. Tomorrow I'm gonna work on the back, and because she wants elastic, it's gonna look a little different from the front, and I may have to add some additional of the main fabric to the lining of the inside of it, just to make sure that it is sturdy enough. So kind of like as an interfacing, just to kind of make sure that it's sturdy enough and it doesn't like the more she uses it, it doesn't wear out as fast. So I'm gonna work on that tomorrow. While I was doing the lining part, I was like, I might as well just do the main fabric for this. So that's how I ended up just doing the main fabric too. You saw me kind of iron it out real quick, just part of it, so I can kind of get that part done, get that piece done. While I was ironing, like all the patterns that I had just kind of fell on the floor over there. As you can see, they're all over here, over there. So I probably need to find a good place to actually hang them up. I've been kind of lazy on that, not feeling like hanging them up, poking the holes in them to hang them up. I don't have one big hole puncher to just punch one big hole in there and hang it. I don't have one, so the one I have is smaller, so I have to puncture many holes into it and then hang it up. So that obviously takes up more time than one giant hole puncher. So I'm not gonna do that today. I'm gonna do that at another time. But yeah, I'm gonna go. I'm done. I'm kind of tired. I probably just need to gulp down more water, and I was standing up the whole time, so that probably didn't help either. Okay. Speaking of water, I thought I might as well just take a sip, a couple gulps of water. But I'm glad that's done. That's out of the way. Now tomorrow all I have to do is work on the what did I say, the back? Yeah, the back. But I'm gonna go. I feel like something weird is trying to happen. It's probably because of the water. I'm doing stuff and not drinking enough water while I do it. So yeah, I'm gonna go change them, put them down for naps, eat something, and drink a lot of water. Okay, I hope this vlog was interesting enough for you to watch. If you got to this point, thank you so much. I appreciate it. You know, don't mind sharing. Please share on your stories and stuff that I make vlogs, and that'd be great. So I'm gonna go. I'll talk to you guys later, and I'll see ya. All right.